another video, and today we're gonna be playing Roblox. It's been ages since I've uploaded a video. It's been like 2 to 3 months, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, I've not been uploading that much lately. It's cause, you know, I took a break from YouTube, but I'm not actually gonna quit it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay? Just let me know that I took a break from YouTube. That's why I haven't uploaded a while. So yeah. So let's get into the video. Well, I made it to the end, you guys. How did I make it to the end? I thought I stopped. Oh my, get ready for sleep. I pushed it up, let's go. No! I was trying to get on that, like, you know. How, bro? The blue team got touched. No way. My team failed. No! Wait, is it just my team? No! I wish I was blue team. What can we get here? Oh yeah, I played this game before. I forgot. I got this. Okay, watch out for the spikes. Oh! This is like breaking story, bro. Speaking of breaking story, I might make a video of that. This is like the breaking story chapter 1 boss and chapter 2. Guys, don't ask me why I'm doing that. I'm just jumping around and doing my screen crazy. My goal is just to not fall off and get hit by the spikes while doing this. I think I can do it. Oh, it's getting harder every time. Okay. Why is it not? Okay, here. Grab the most rings. I got 10 rings. You got the most. Why do I look like that? I'm not gonna push the button. And wait, what? Get to the top. The thing is, my skin is too big. So I know this. This is where like a giant wave comes. What was even the point? I thought the wave became in the mysterious cave. How did I not fall? How did I not fall? How? Honestly. Ah! I'm gonna get his face. I'm just gonna. Away from the other I got some money. I stole money. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's make a house. I can do it. This thing is some kind of not that already. Oh no! 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 Oh no, it's getting home. I haven't even touched any yet. Damn, I'm doing nice. I'm doing so good. Oh! Imagine I make it to the end. I'm like, oh my God, let's go. I'm the best. Okay. What's up, Jordan? Okay, I'm just overreacting here right now. Okay, you have 6 seconds to find me. Let's go, I made it. Let's go on the best one. I'm the best. Hey. Let's go. Money back. Money, 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 money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yummy. Me. I'm just going in circles everywhere. Yummy. No! Watch out for mom. Oh yeah, I know this. Oh no, mommy, 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 mommy. What did I do to you, mommy, 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 mommy. Mommy better not kill me. I've been good. Oh, that's only pretty hard. Okay. Get on the car. Oh, it's dude. What? Oh, it was the color number. Why isn't it? What the hell? 5, 6. I'm not. That's not even a name. It's even a lot I have in Roblox. Where's this kid at? Can you guys find? Okay. Okay, now it's not even the time. Okay, let's enter the castle. Intense music. Oh! Oh! No, no, no. Go, 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 I wish there was checkpoints. Okay. No! I think Blue's winning. Let's go! We won! Let's go! I'm the best! Red team the best! Oh. Obviously they removed the jumper. No, what the heck? If I survive this, I'm a legend. I'm a legend if I survive this. I'm a legend, honestly, if I survive this. I'm really good. What? What am I supposed to do?
Let's be friends. I love you.
What?
Let's be friends. Will you be my
Only
friend?
one dog is.
I need a friend.
Okay, no, guys, come on. Blue. What the blue? I'm telling you, that's correct. Blue. Yes, I told you, though. Here. What? Here. At least one person goes. God, I'm not going. Here. Red. Okay, it's this one. Okay. Oh.
Let's be friends.
Okay, watch out! I gotta stay over at the side. What was the point of that? Okay. Watch out! Oh! remember this. It's like an old TV show. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's getting pretty easy. Not too hard. Okay, where's the other one? Oh, that was easy. Quickly, get to the door. Emergency, emergency, emergency. Let's go. No, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go. Come on, go. What are you waiting for? Go, 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 go. Go. Let's get higher. Yeah, whoever died, it was nice. It was nice knowing you. Whoever was that who died. Oh, that was probably one of the platforms. Avoid the cube. Oh, that's easy. Oh, wait. Oh, no. I think I know what happens. It gets faster every time. Oh, no, 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 no. Look, I'll give you some money immediately. Get some money. See, I knew it gets faster every time. Look, I got an idea. I'm going to make brick walls. So, oh, no, that doesn't work. Oh, I should not do anything. My goal is just to keep this moving. No, what did you do, though? I'll give you some money. Oh my god. That was so funny. Let's go. What is this mysterious drink? I don't know. Give me the drink. Wait, does it kill you? I think it just kills you. Oh! Look at me! Look at me! Yeah! I pressed it. Why did you keep on doing what is in that? Or are you unlucky? I pressed it. Oh, no. No! Oh. Get off. Green, obviously. Green is the best. No! I have to kill myself. No! I'll be back, you guys. No. Oh, it's no time to be charged. I'm gonna charge my iPad anyway. I'm gonna do it when this thing's over. I did it, you guys! Go home! I should have not done that. What the dumbest guy ever. Okay. Oh, jump under the light. That's easy. More like that. At least you generate your health back. Oh, it gets faster each one. How am I? I'm such a legend. I'm such a legend. I'm an actual legend. I'm an actual legend. I'm an actual legend. I'm a legend. I'm a legend. How? If I survive this, let's go. I'm actually a legend. I'm a legend at this game. Let's go. Okay, I'm too used to saying Fletcher. Bro, what happened to my mask? Oh. Fine, I added someone. Mine. My back hurts. This is Minecraft. Minecraft. We're literally doing Minecraft right now. Oh, we reached bedrock. I need to find diamond. No. I pushed it. Reach to the end. No, what are you doing? Good boy! I'm the fast one! And I want to report what the hell 592. I want to report him. Obviously. Abusing all my like his username. I would think I'd report of his username, like you know. I pressed it. Get into the other side. Into the other side. Easy. Bro, my boy. That's not fair, bro. How did he have that? How did he have 6,000? Oh, because he's not Robux. Got it. Imagine, that's just a waste of Robux. I want to play it. No! I'm going to get it. I can't even move. That was the random one. Huh? No! That's random. Hurry, cross the bridge. Let's go, I made it. Everyone made it. Let's go. Oh, watch out. Knock it over. I wanted to knock it over. Get to the end without jumping. How am I supposed to do that? But how did they disable jumping? I'm so confused. How did they disable jumping? How did they even... Is that even a thing you can do? Oh, I think I can do this. I'm gonna do it. Let's go! But do you get coins from this? Obviously. Where'd you get? Oh, I wanted to get the ice. Yeah. I got a 5% thing. What? Oh, I didn't even get it. This game is a scam. Boy, I didn't even get my... pink? Why? You are infected. Yeah, let's play a different game, you guys. I don't know why I've been doing that, but normally I wasn't meant to do just that game, but I wanted to do a different game. So wait, let's just do just don't press the button. Don't press. Let's do 2. This is don't press the button. Do don't press the button. Pray. Yeah, let's play. But man, that's what the second one looks like. No! I've never played this game. I don't even have this. No! Don't press the button anymore. It's that super nothing. No! One. Thank you. Oh, I thought it was a boy. Don't ask me what. Don't press the piggy head. Ooh. Why always with me? Why always just me? I'm trying to get the key. I'm trying to get the key. What? Imagine this is. Beat the army. Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Why did it do that? Oh no. I did what? Oh, this is a piece of cake. I'm good at parkour. Yeah, I used to be bad, but I'm good at parkour. Let's go. Piece of cake. Bro, I'm the only one who survived? No way, bro. I'm not so good at this. I'm literally the best one here in this game. But I just fell. But act like that did not happen. Act like it didn't happen. It's just... That's the pop, bro. No, like imagine. That's like in... Oh, this is... Oh, I thought that was the army. Give me that. Oh, I thought that was the toy. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for the video. I'll be doing the video. If you enjoy, please. Oh, this is the last one. Whoa, that's easy. How did he die? Well, I guess that's the end of the video. I hope you